Un contrat Uncle Scoop vs Frank Neely. Ok, un contrat qui a eu lieu il y a quelques temps. Ok. Ok, let's go. Putain, la défense, elle fait du catch, wesh. Eh, la défense, c'est du catch. C'est du catch. Oh là là, c'est physique, hein. Ah, il est physique, le 1-1, hein. Donc,
Hey, that was a nasty leg. That was crazy. Who we calling? School or Nitty? Call it right now early. Good defense.
No way. No foul.
bonne défense, hein.
It's going to be like this all 30 points, I think.
Eh, Scoop, il va faire faute à chaque action. C'est un catchateur. Il fait du catch-attack.
So it's just going to be over 30 points. How does this wear on Nitty? Because we see, like, talent-wise, skill-wise, we already know what he can do. But every game we've seen today has all come down to conditioning. And free throws.
Yeah, I thought that was for sure going through.
Ok, donc lui, il oriente à gauche. C'est ça son gameplay.
Up on that right shoulder.
Bonne défense.
Good D.
Il avait le shoot.
What
This is
did,
what Frank does.
what did
Après, Frank Lee, c'est vraiment un bon défenseur, hein. Parce que là, on le regarde, il oriente à gauche, mais il sait que Scoop, il va à la droite.
He way up.
Et il est toujours en face de lui. Voilà, là, il l'a entre guillemets battu, hein. Mais il réussit à recover. Tu vois, en l'emmenant dans l'angle, en se mettant devant lui. Donc là, c'est bonne défense, hein. Là, Scoop, il devait le prendre, le fadeaway, là. Le fadeaway, il devait le prendre. C'est bonne défense. Franchement, Frank Neely, il défend vraiment bien. C'est vraiment un bon défenseur.
It's underrated.
he said it was overrated.
Overrated.
Likez pour ceux qui viennent d'arriver dans le live, s'il vous plaît, les gars.
Looking okay for the first 2 points.
Good defense.
Vraiment, c'est du
Air ball.
hand check like crazy. Et c'est physique, hein. Vous voyez, son bras, il est par-dessus le bras de l'autre. C'est vraiment Zigfi.
Good defense. Air ball.
C'est physique de fou.
And this is what I worry about is just Nitty for 30 points.
Ça va être physique pendant tous les paniers du game vont être physiques.
Something about Scooby kind of always, like, a lot of times he goes down a lot. And then he fights his way back.
Well, the longer the game goes, it's like
He
it
get
favors
better.
him. Yeah, it favors him. I think he's trying to, work the refs, massage them, but
Who was waiting on this game, bro?
and these refs, they haven't been biting on anything today, so
So something that's happening, he's not meeting them up on that three-point shot. And if Scoob gets that going, it might be a wrap.
yeah.
He got to get a hand up every time.
We saw that in Detroit. Like,
Elles sont belles ces chaussures là. C'est les Jamorant. Tough. Tough.
It's going to be a long game. Frank getting it going though early.
Will definitely be a long game.
That was a two. That was a three?
Pretty sure it was a 2.
That was a three? They called it a three.
Oh.
Attends, c'était un 3 points ou un 2 points?
Tricky.
Scoob just needs
Il
one.
joue sur la ligne, il joue avec la ligne rouge ou avec la ligne noire? Oh, mais même s'il joue avec la ligne noire, c'est un 2. C'est un 2. La ligne rouge, c'est la ligne NBA pour ceux qui ne savent pas. Et la ligne noire, c'est college. NCA.
Definitely be a long game.
That was a two. That was a three?
Pretty sure it was a 2.
That was a three? They called it three.
Oh.
Tricky with the lines.
Bonne défense. Hell no.
He was waiting for that push cross. You saw that? That's Nitty's move, that push cross.
What do you think about that one?
In
that-
this space, is it a foul shot?
It's tough because
He
you
was
don't
under
want
him a little bit.
you don't want players to start doing that.
No.
But he bit on that shot fake.
Did
he was
Nitty
up
lean
there.
forward?
He definitely leaned forward.
Bon drive. Ah, la balle a glissé. Good drive.
This reminds me of the Bruce and Zay game. Even though Nitty's winning, I feel like I just am not comfortable with it until he gets some more separation.
Let him get to the right.
Aïe, 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 ça
That's
glisse.
the fourth time he's hit the ground.
I
To
think
go
you
to
would-
drive that hard and not get anything.
I'm pretty sure you're the one that told me that when we were in LA.
Yeah.
And most times the player that
Au moins,
constantly
au moins,
gets on the
Scoob, il
floor,
shoot,
like
mais au moins, il se
they were
fatigue
just-
pas.
they were gassed.
C'est quand tu shootes quand tu 3 points, ça te dépense vraiment zéro énergie. Jab step, 3 points, tu dépenses pas d'énergie. Quelqu'un qui drive à chaque fois, il va vraiment dépenser de l'énergie. Ouh, ouh. Ouh là là.
I don't even. Good move.
Tough. Il aurait pu Thomas là.
He wanted to dunk and then he pulled the ball out of the rim and then laid it up.
That's why this game was such a wild card, bro. Like you
Tough.
just didn't know what's gonna happen until you watch it. It's 7-0.
J'ai l'impression qu'il va se fatiguer au bout d'un moment. Il drive trop. Et avec tous les contacts qu'il met Scoop, j'ai l'impression que Nili va se fatiguer à un moment donné.
Nitty looking like a one-on-one player.
I've been
Hey,
telling
looking like a
everybody
ones
stop,
player.
stop saying that Nitty's not a one-on-one. He can play
He's
one.
looking like a ones player.
He got that all.
Ouh! Good move. Good move. Juste, il finit
Good
pas.
recovery. He challenged him up top.
Et il défend bien. Hein. Franchement, c'est les trucs contestés. Et tu peux avoir que ça en one-one. Contester le mec au maximum possible, être physique avec lui. Il rate, il marque, il marque.
Is once he gets crossed and once he gets beat, he gives a second effort. That's exactly how Nitty plays.
Rien de facile.
Oh, Scoop does it
But
too, yeah.
obviously, Nitty, that's what he just did there. Got crossed. Should have been an easy layup, but make him score again.
What?
Good move. Ah, dommage.
I don't know about that one. Point is over.
As the game goes on. And that's why I think Nitty's got to get a bigger lead. We just saw Bruce versus A 8-0 start.
Good hand by Nitty.
Damn, Scoop! Come on, Scoop! Après, les matchs ils sont longs à 30. Donc, même si tu rates tes 4-5 premiers shoots. Bonne défense.
D, bro.
C'est physique, hein. Tu vois, il met pour l'arrêter, il met quoi? Il met son corps, mais aussi son bras, tu vois. Et ça ralentit vraiment. Parce que c'est une partie du corps qui est super strong. Regarde, donc ça. Hey, tu vois, il a presque perdu son ballon et ça ralentit son momentum. Donc après, il veut faire cross, il lui prend la balle. En 5-5, par exemple, en 5 contre 5, ça aurait été une faute, par exemple. En 5 contre 5, ça y est, faute directe. Le mec, il veut passer, tu mets ton coude comme ça, tu le pousses, c'est faute directe. Mais bon, en contre 1, non?
But can School make shots though?
In and out. Pull up, give me 3. Ah, dommage.
Everybody, I've teamed up with DraftKings.
Yo, hell no, nigga. I ain't trying to listen to that shit.
Bro.
Oh là là, c'est quoi ce shoot?
This gonna be a long game. On the low, I like School. On the low.
Yeah.
Ouh, marché.
What?
Qu'est-ce qu'il fait?
Because I watched School do this before. I watched him go into halftime in my gym 3 times, losing the game, and he just walks you down. Oh no.
Yeah, this is just
Oh, bucket.
this is against School. Every time it looks like he's not supposed to win, that's when he plays his best. Oh, I thought he called timeout.
Honestly, bro, like
Qu'est-ce qu'il fait?
I like what I'm seeing from Nitty, man. He coming in there and just guarding and playing up, sticking to how you play a one-on-one.
Oh, bon drive. Premier facile. Oh, tu vois, même ça,
That's a big foul.
vu comment il était battu là, tu te dirais normalement c'est un panier facile. Tu vois, tu te dirais là c'est un panier facile. Mais le mec il revient quand même. C'est une dinguerie. Après là il aurait pu passer under.
Again, second effort. That's a big
Tu vois, il lui fait une faute, il lui fait mal. Tu vois. C'est important. Hein.
Yeah, I like what I'm seeing from Nitty, though.
So what does that feel like as a ones player when you shot fake somebody at the three, they leave their feet,
And they
you
back?
still don't get 2 points out of it?
To be honest with you, it's frustrating.
It's super.
C'est relou, tu vois. Bah, c'est ce qu'ils disaient les
And
commentateurs.
that's what
Tu,
Nittany is
tu
doing.
dépasses un mec, tu
They're
le
not
bats à
gonna
3
give you anything easy.
Ah, another one. Scoop, il a pas bien tes jeux. En fait, tu fais une feinte, le gars il saute et t'arrives quand même pas à marquer.
If
C'est
you're
relou.
watching this, how much money you got on this game?
Good move. Ah.
Well,
Did they call foul?
nah. And you know what? Nitty's not complaining.
Nope.
When he's in the 2-on-2s, 3-on-3s, 5-on-5 stuff, he does massage the refs a lot. But he's
They said got 2K on school. Dang.
Ouh Ouh
Dumbledore.
Eh, vous avez vu, même ça, il est revenu. Il s'est fait crosser, mais il revient. Eh, ça, c'est une dinguerie, franchement. Ça, c'est les relentless. En anglais, on dit relentless. Les défenseurs, franchement, qui abandonnent air. Tu peux les crosser, quoi qu'il arrive. Eh, pour avoir un shoot tranquille, frérot. Scoop, il n'a pas eu un shoot tranquille. Là, regarde, il l'a crossé. Regardez l'espace qu'il a créé. Hein. Pourtant, il shoot vite. Hein. Step back, il enchaîne. Mais le mec, il arrive quand même à contester. C'est une D. Tu vois, il lui met même le doigt dans l'œil. J'avais fait exprès, frère. C'est une dinguerie, gros. C'est un putain de défenseur, Frangini.
Let's talk about Mr. Momentum. Mr. Momentum is momentum.
gotta count it.
And one.
That's
Count
an
it.
one.
Yeah, I think so.
See, I think it's a little bit of confusion on this because they go back and forth on.
Yeah.
But like I said, a bucket from Nitty takes back the momentum.
Yeah. I like giving the N1, the continuation.
Bonne défense.
Arkansas, I see.
Bonne défense. Bonne défense. Oh là là là, y a pas faute là.
That was not a great foul.
Free throw too.
Ah là là. C'est une faute stupide un peu. Y a faute,
Go
mais.
right off into.
Damn, Scoop! And one!
Dangerous game.
Eh mais comme je l'ai dit, je pense qu'il se fatigue trop. Il drive à chaque action, c'est chaud. Faut driver tout le match à chaque action, c'est tough.
The only thing to look out for is if Nitty gets tired, bro.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. I love what I'm seeing right now.
Like he does look tired, but once he starts going, he looks fine. He walks up there slow. He's conserving his energy, but once he gets going, he's fine.
You got no choice but to respect what he's doing right now. Somebody who doesn't really even play in a one space coming here and doing this right now. Whoa.
Oh. Non, il a raté son. Il a raté son step.
As long as we don't see
30 to 1.
Cross. Good move. Ah, tough.
It's a lot of energy from both of them.
I watched him and Zay work on that in DC.
Yeah.
Like they literally work on exactly that. And the thing is just to be patient until they jump.
Because there's no 3 seconds in the key. There's no shot clock.
LKGS, they said worst loss for school. Can't.
Time out.
Said with the
Donc il prend un time out déjà.
favor, point,
I tell you,
both their shooting percentages got to be in the low 10s right now.
Bonne défense. Bonne défense. Oh, il y a 5 là.
such a good job on defense. He does a good job on defense, bro.
All right, Scoot catching like right on that 3-point line now. Changing it up a little bit.
Bah ouais, il devrait faire ça à chaque action. Il ouvre trop. Spagnini, il ouvre, t'as juste à le battre et c'est fini. Il pourrait finir à droite, à gauche là.
I like how he was ready for the contest that time. You see that, right?
I just think Nitty opened the door up too much.
Ouais, il ouvre trop, Nitty.
Far left. Because he's trying to get on his right arm for that
Yeah.
jumper.
Ouh!
Here we go. Here we go. It's a
Premier shoot.
one-possession game.
What happens is the fact that he got to the basket right there before opened up that three.
This is snowballing.
Ouh! Good move. Good move. Good move. Dommage.
He's in his element right now.
Yeah, talk to the refs a little bit more.
That's a part of his game plan, though. Don't get it twisted.
Bonne défense. L1. Putain, il fait beaucoup de fautes, ce coup. Après, l'arbitre, il siffle beaucoup quand même. Hein.
Dart.
Faute. Putain, il fait faute à chaque action. ce coup.
And we up 3 fouls in 3 possessions.
I just think Scooby. I'm calling it. Nah, no, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Ouais, L1! Miscu!
We did say it was going to be a long game.
Salle de Miscu!
We said it was going to be a long game, and
This is a walk now.
Side step. Ah.
It's a walk now, bro.
Frank Nili commence à être fatigué. Hein. Ooh, good move. Give me that!
He's starting to talk to Nitty, by the way.
look,
I'm sorry. If School finds his jumper,
Dedans. Ouah. Il rate beaucoup, hein. Jab.
great drive.
Tough.
good move.
If he can find ways to get himself to get downhill.
Moi ou Scoob en 1-1. Moi, wesh, les gars.
It's
I like me over anybody in one.
If you can fight through the tiredness and execute your game plan, like he can pull this out. But the difference is we've just seen Scoob do it so many times. His body of work, we've just seen it so many times.
Who was he talking to?
The mayor?
I just seen this so many times, so it's hard for me to root against. If Nitty was playing against anybody else, he never. Walk down now.
That's-
The walk down is switched up.
How deep is that 3 right there?
Salut, Dad. Je joue dans Alfortville, en
that's
N3, les gars.
School.
They saying
Did he have the ball before he tried? Okay, I was about to say that. Oh, that's cool.
yeah.
Je vous prépare des vidéos de toute façon bientôt, vous allez voir. Ne vous inquiétez pas.
Oh, no.
Jab. Oh, drive.
He gonna challenge him up top.
Ah, dommage.
He gonna every time.
Ah, c'est vraiment un catcher, Scoob.
Defense backwards like that. Is that Drew Holiday that does that?
Yeah, Drew. Oh,
Faute. Bonne défense. Il y a faute, mais bonne défense.
that's tough.
He's made a couple good moves on Nitty, but the thing about Nitty, he's not gonna give up. Still
It's
didn't get a hand up at the end, but
still a one-legged fadeaway.
he was there. Yeah. Oh, you can't do that.
Neji, il commence à être fatigué, le laisse shooter. Il commence à être fatigué.
Can he win?
No,
Can he win?
no. They're not scoring 17 at the basket on Frank.
Yeah.
En fait, franchement, je saurais pas dire ils font quelle taille ces mecs-là.
I didn't have a good angle on that one. But Frank's tried to do that about 3 times, and he's only got one of them called, jumping into him.
Dedans. Come on.
It's School.
Come on, Scoob. Come on.
Frank playing good D. I think it's
Likez pour ceux qui viennent d'arriver dans le live, les gars. On a 5 likes, on essaie de viser 50 likes. Come on, man.
Like Nitty's not letting him get himself going.
Bonne défense. Oh, marché.
Like that's
Marché, frère. Oh là là. À d'un moment, gros, il a
crazy. Not getting a
marché.
clean look unless it's
Come on.
deep from 3.
He playing good defense, bro. He playing. I think.
Il fait 1m90, Nili. Ouais, il m'a l'air. Ouais, j'ai l'impression qu'il fait. Il doit faire ma taille, Nili.
On the line.
Oh, M1.
That's a 2-pointer.
They might give him a 3 again just because.
They don't give him a 3.
We'll see.
Oh,
They like to mix it up.
no, that was the two.
They like to surprise us.
See if he opens up again.
Wouh! Il est passé par-dessus lui, wesh.
See if he opens up again.
Il est passé par-dessus. Il est passé par-dessus.
Hey, shout out to whoever's doing the jump training for Uncle School. Clear the great patience by Nitty. What the heck?
Jab. Jab. Side step. Dedans.
That's a three. Damn.
I know he's tired.
Oh, he gets tired.
That would have been such a good one to go put a stamp, like get to the basket one more time, have it snowball real quick. But
Right.
Tough.
honestly,
Oh là là, scoop.
he is just not getting a clean look at the rim at all.
Scoob is not going to score 14 more at the
No,
rim.
no way.
So if his shot ain't going, the game's over. Because Nitty just getting opportunity after opportunity.
Man,
Il y a faute là. Eh, ouais. Oh, ah. Eh, il fait trop de fautes, scoop.
Oh, they calling it a little
they
softer
are.
today.
But I think they gave it to him because Scoob hit him up top first outside the three, and then he all.
Calling it a little bit tighter.
His defense was overrated.
He did say his defense overrated.
Oh là 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 là.
Hey, can we call it now?
26-16.
Frank pop off when he win this game. I hope
He
Frank
shot
pop
that
off.
like a floater too.
I hope Frank pop off when he win, bro.
Franck, il va pas gagner, frère. Il va pas gagner, gros. Non. Scoop, moi je suis.
Is he okay?
Yeah,
Scoop, j'ai trop vu des games de Scoop où il fait des comebacks de fou, il est trop fort, ce mec.
Like a game plan error.
Oh là.
He got plenty of time to airball. He up 10.
En fait, dans les 1-1 en 30, tant qu'il n'y a pas 30, le match il est pas fini.
From a huge upset.
Et le dernier panier, c'est le panier peut-être le plus difficile à mettre.
Way, no way. I mean, he needs.
Good move. Oh!
And that's what happens.
At the rim.
And that's what happens.
Ah!
Again, a lot of people are going to say Scoob was just missing. But when you play against good defenders, it's like there's a reason. There's a reason these guys have bad games against good defenders.
Ah, c'est physique, hein.
No way.
Oh, I don't know.
Ah, après, faut savoir,
I
il
don't-
joue
I don't
physique
like
ou il
it
joue pas
either,
physique?
And that's a free throw, too. I don't know about that one.
Look, I don't like it either, but I will.
Après, il joue beaucoup avec les mains. Il a raté.
Man, this don't have nothing to do with the ref.
Ok, Scoop!
You see how the crowd cheers for Scoob every
Yeah,
time?
yeah. Why, they do not mess with Nitty here. There's a lot of Scoob fans in the building.
Oh là là, il est un peu gentil, l'arbitre. Oh là là, il met coup d'épaule quand même, hein.
I don't know, man.
Eh, il va chercher le coup d'épaule quand même, hein. Il va même avec le coude, hein, quand même, c'est chaud. C'est chaud de siffler ça quand même, je trouve. Il va avec le coude écarté quand même, hein. Ah, c'est chaud de siffler ça. Non, il n'y a pas faute. Moi, je sifflerai pas. Pour moi, il n'y a pas faute sur ça. Il va avec le coude écarté. Et pour moi, il n'y a pas faute.
That free throw miss.
Pour moi, tu peux pas siffler ça.
I don't want to see that free throw miss come back to haunt Frank.
He ain't missed no free throws this game.
Side step.
The contest.
Bonne défense.
Hey, Frank gets there though.
He's there on every shot. This is, hey, this is great defense, man.
Can he score?
If they call it this type, who's
It's gonna
going to
be
win
on-
out of Briscoe and Niles?
Yeah, that'll be
That
really
I don't
interesting.
know if that would favor Nas anymore.
I don't think it favors him, but he can adjust.
Bonne défense.
A little bit tougher to make those threes whenever that pressure is like what it is right now.
He gone. He gone. We'll go all up.
Bonne défense. Bonne défense. Bonne défense.
Here it is. Look how
Damn!
it is. You don't normally see nobody this calm playing against school.
Does he end it right here? What do you think? Scoop.
Ah, on dirait j'ai dit scoop, mais...
I want the crowd to show him love if you win this. Oh, that's turnover.
Game! Ouh! Y'a faute!
Scoop. Keep playing.
Oh
It's
là.
only one shot though.
That's a part of the game, bro. Sometimes the refs miss
You
calls.
gotta play through it though.
Les arbitres, ils sifflent des dingueries, par contre.
Ball game.
Bonne défense.
Play good defense. Just not enough. Look how he's
Halftime.
En fait, Franny, il a des longs bras, il est plus grand, donc à chaque fois qu'il va drive, il va le gêner. À chaque fois. Même s'il le dépasse, il va le gêner.
This is four-time Drew League MVP.
Bonne défense.
So the game plan is to get on that right shoulder and just challenge up top. We haven't been seeing Nitty hacking. He's been playing clean defense.
Bonne défense. Bonne défense. De toute façon, s'il
29.
continue à défendre comme ça, voilà.
Walk him down as Frank will take the throne in the top 5 and walk away in the sunset.
Bonne défense. Bonne défense. Oh là!
Was that a foul?
I don't think that's a foul.
Eh, les arbitres, ils sifflent des dingueries. Les arbitres, ils sifflent des dingueries.
They missed a free.
Les arbitres, ils sifflent des dingueries.
4 possession game for school? Or 3.
Bonne défense. Tough. Tough.
You notice there's been a few drives where he's just held out one arm
There's
the whole
no way
way off.
Davo called this.
Yeah! No! Woo!
There's no way this is about to happen. There's no way. Scoob is 2 points away from winning this game.
What are we watching here? What are we watching?
This is where legends are made.
Come on! Come on!
This is where legends are made.
Come on!
Uncle Scoob,
Là, le comeback de fou, wesh.
the matchup of the day, comes out
Oh oh!
against Nisco almost. Frankie
Il a vendu.
is still in this thing.
Il a vendu. Il a vendu. Smoke.
This is what we wanted.
And he can kill the vibe right now. I'm not gonna lie, I want to see Frank kill the vibe. I can't help.
Everybody on their feet. Nobody in here going for Frank Nitty.
Ah, c'est une dinguerie. Tout le monde est pour Scoop. Personne pour Frank Nili.
Go for it. Close the gap. Oh, big shot.
Bonne défense.
Imagine.
Bonne défense. Bonne défense. Temps mort.
Hey, amazing.
Yeah! Turn up, turn up!
Again. Where is Davo? Hey, it was worth it.
C'est sa femme à Frank Nili, ça?
Hey, the homie is in shape. Hey, I'm gonna whip you into shape, my boy. I see it though. Hey, when do I lie to people?
Nitty,
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I think he's been battling fatigue the whole time.
Tired?
Non.
way.
Non. Il a annoncé faute là?
I think he got fouled by.
Oh non.
Don't jinx it,
Il a annoncé faute là?
bro. 20.
Oh, ils abusent.
It's double in the NBA, bro.
Yeah,
Like, we love this
100%.
because it's so physical.
Non.
This is where legends are made, bro. This is where legends are made. Uncle Scoot takes it. A monster. 3-0. Pay-per-view 3-0.
Damn. Frank.
You watching Undisputed. Chat.
Eh, Naz, il est vraiment buff par contre. Le cap.
JQ and Isaiah Briscoe versus Nas.
That wasn't even the co-main event right
That's
there.
not even the main.
Does it get any better as a basketball fan?
Hold on.
Tough.
Let me know.
Tough.
Maybe a game 7.
Maybe in the playoffs. You'll get in the
Tough.
playoffs.
Tough.
Man, what a game.
Tout ce que je peux dire, c'est tough.
They gotta change some stuff up in the league, bro. This is what we signed up for.
Yeah, play through the
Nobody
contact.
care about them foul baiting and all that other stuff. Oh, this is what we came to watch. This is basketball, bro.
100%. 100%.
Get rid of all this little foul baiting and let's play basketball. Get the passion back. Get the storytelling back.
Let's see some defense.